Hi, my name is Clash Inspector. Today inspecting this Fiat Abarth for you, competizione for you. Basically, let's go through it. All alloys are significantly curved and will need a refurb. Regards to interior, has fair wear and tear marks in line with age and mileage. Coming back to bodywork, whole bodywork is around 200 microns. Obviously, they might have a special edition paintwork on this vehicle. However, I can't find anything which indicates a respray on this bodywork. It's structurally sound, haven't been involved in a significant any accident. I can't find any clues regards to that. So I would have to consider the paintwork is for this vehicle within sort of specifications. However, obviously the paintwork indicates a respray, right? But if it has been done, it's been done to the very high standard where I can't find any indication of it. Obviously, I can advise before purchasing, just double check paint thickness readings for this specific model, for this specific paint, as it is Abarth. The paint can be, if it's a special, like I said, special paint, then the paint thickness obviously can differ too, like on luxury cars, and it can differ significantly. With regards to anything else, a mechanically vehicle sound, I can't find any issues. Good brakes all the way around, but getting lower. Monitor both rear shocks. Coming back to bodywork, front bumper has some niggly things, some lack of peeling off. It's a bit dark here, as you can see. And on this section, a few marks. Some is scraped underside, top section of the bumper, and there is indication front and rear bumper resprays. So as there has been Abarth stickers taken off, and there is a lot of glue on it, and it would need to be sort of removed. So there's also an indication the side trims has been taken off, and potentially also has been resprayed at some point. On the left side, jacking point is incorrectly, because it's been incorrectly lifted before, and the seal is bent in. Not a huge damage, but it can be noticed. I'm gonna go now for the road test, and we'll see how this vehicle performs. And there's no abnormal issues, any intervention in the diagnostic systems, anything recently. Service is due in 2,000 miles, and timing belt has been done in 2022. It's a second-hand or refurbed or repaired gearbox has been fitted on a car, as advised. Both side engine mounts are a bit worn, has a bit of accessory play. I would recommend pay attention and replace at some point. Other than that, I can't find any major reason why to reject this vehicle. Thanks for using us.